The holiday season is a time to connect with friends and family, and making your own Christmas cards is one way to show everyone how much you care this season. Making homemade Christmas cards may sound difficult, but it doesn't have to be. Even if you aren't a craftsperson, you can create beautiful cards to impress everyone on your holiday card list this year. Before you begin making your holiday cards, you'll need to know how many you'll be sending out. Make a list of all card recipients. You can do this by hand, or you can use Excel or another spreadsheet program to keep track of everything. Add a cushion to your list of about 5 to 10 additional cards just in case you've forgotten someone. Now that you know how many Christmas cards you'll be making, you need to determine what kind of card you want. You have a lot of options. Photo cards can be made online. Several photo companies, including Kodak and Hallmark, allow you to make your own photo Christmas cards. Cost can be a factor with photo cards. One photo frame card can cost up to $4, whereas single-sided photo cards can be as little as 50 cents each. Handcrafted Christmas cards can be made using online resources or your own creative spirit. Templates for holiday cards may be available online, or you can choose to make your own. If you have children, get them involved. Have them draw a beautiful Christmas scene and then have the design printed onto multiple cards. E-cards are another option. There are multiple e-card websites that can help you to create personalized Christmas cards to send out via email. Remember to allot plenty of time to make your Christmas cards. You'll also need to watch the calendar to be sure you've got enough time to mail them. If you're mailing international cards, allow even more time for them to reach the recipients. If possible, recruit family members to help out. Divide your card making into a few sessions too, so you don't become overwhelmed. If disaster strikes and you've definitely run out of time, consider turning your Christmas card into a Happy New Year greeting. For more information on this topic, visit the link below.